Well, tonight, while nearly 20 million doses of COVID vaccine sit in freezers across the country, health officials in many states say they don't have enough vaccine. So far, about 17.5 million Americans have had at least one COVID shot. To explain why, here's CBS's Mola Lenghi.
The race to vaccinate hits a major setback.
We are running out of vaccine and we need more now.
It's happening across the country. Promised doses not delivered. New York City today closed 15 vaccine centers and canceled 23,000 appointments.
It's deeply disheartening, and honestly, it does create a little bit of sense of panic.
This as stadiums and other large venues continue to be transformed into vaccine megasites.
It's very disappointing, and once we can get more supply, we can vaccinate more people, but it's out of our hands.
In Detroit,
we've got the convention parking structure where we could handle 25,000 vaccinations a week, and right now we're scheduling 6,000.
At Dodger Stadium, wait times for scheduled vaccines are reaching 5 hours, and California health officials are saying the state may not vaccinate all of its high-risk, high-priority seniors over 65 until June. Also tonight, growing concern over new strains of the virus, especially one first detected in South Africa, which could be somewhat resistant to the current vaccines. One researcher in South Africa tells CBS News the strain is almost like a new pandemic and may require recalibrating the vaccines, much like is done with the annual flu shots. Hospitalizations in the U.S. continue to be at peak levels, and on Wednesday, the second highest daily deaths recorded, nearly 4,400 in just one day, almost matching Japan's death toll during the entire pandemic. The vaccine rollout, slow as it may be, is having an impact. This morning, 93-year-old Irving Levine received his first dose. Levine survived the Holocaust, but lost most of his family. His goal now in this pandemic, to be able to see his kids again. One of them, a doctor at New Jersey's Holy Name Medical Center.
His will to survive has been incredible. In some ways, I almost believe that he's more concerned about me and my sister, because we are working on the front lines, than he is about himself.
Well, this is one of the 15 vaccine distribution sites across New York City that are closed and will continue to be until the city gets more doses. Now, according to the New York Health Department, the vaccine appointments that were canceled will be rescheduled 1 week later. Nora?
Mola Lenghi, thank you.